Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can adjust body size on Capcut. So in here, I've already added a clip into Capcut and I want to enhance the body size, for example. So if you want to do the same, just follow this step. First, you can click on the clips on a timeline and swipe through the toolbar. Then tap on retouch, click on the body options. So in here I'm going to go with the auto mode. So in here you can see there are lots of options that you can adjust. For example, here I'm going to adjust the legs first, which is visible. So you can just swipe to the right. You can see that this person will become taller in just seconds. I'm going to go with this. You can also adjust the body to make it slim if you want to. Waist, you can also make it smaller. Head, okay, you can also make it smaller just like this. Then you can also adjust the chest, for example. Hips, make it smoother or brighten. In here, in the pro feature, there are also neck, arms, wide shoulders, and straight shoulders. So I'm going to go wide shoulder. Let's see. It will make the shoulder wider. So if you like with the result, you can click on apply to all and click on a check icon. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.